Good day, everyone. I am going to discuss to you the CIV 245 Group 7 logo, which is comprising infinity symbol, plus and minus signs, multiplication, and also equal signs. First, we have infinity symbol at the center, representing the limitless possibilities and continuous learning in modern mathematics. Alam naman natin na ang math ay patuloy na pinag-aaralan at patuloy na hinahanapan ng kung ano pang mas interesado about math or anything that we can learn about math. Next, we have plus and minus signs, intertwined or placed symmetrically around the infinity symbol, indicating that balancing and attraction between positive and negative forces in different aspects of life or progress. Kaya namin pinaghiwalay or pinag-mirror yung plus and minus dahil hindi lang naman tayo basta nag-a-add lang. Minsan nagbabawas din tayo and hindi rin naman tayo nagbabawas, minsan nag-a-add lang rin tayo. So, para balance siya is, ginawa namin sa logo is, pinaghiwalay namin siya as symmetrically. Third, we have multiplication symbol, overlapping the infinity symbol, symbolizing the multiplication of potential, growth, and collaboration, and also to create more progressive things in mathematics world. Alam naman natin kung gaano ka-powerful yung multiplication, kaya nilagay naman talaga namin ito sa top ng infinity symbol. And lastly, we have the equal sign at the bottom or the foundation of the logo, representing the ultimate goal of equality, harmony, and balance in outcomes. Kung mapapansin nyo is symmetrical yung mga signs or symbol na ginamit namin sa logo. Just like in life, 'di ba? Once na balance yung career mo, yung mga ginagawa mo sa buhay is mapapansin mo nagiging good outcomes yung mga nangyayari sa iyo. Kaya ayun. Equal sign is in the foundation or the bottom of our logo. This logo is a symbolic representation of how various elements like positive and negative forces, multiplication of effort, and equal outcomes come together that create endless opportunities, which is the infinity. It embodies the growth and innovation through balance, continuous learning, and collaboration, suggesting that progress is not just about addition or continuing adding up knowledge, but also involves balance, challenges, and ultimate fairness, not only in mathematics world, but in real life. And that's all. Thank you so much for listening in our definition of our logo. Hope to see you soon.